What's up, everybody? This is yet another unboxing from your buddy Repellent and Hawthorne. This shipped from San Jose, California, all the way to where I live in South Bend, Indiana. Got my trusty knife. I'm assuming this is a gift card unboxing. I do a lot of gift card purchases online so I can go to places that I want and not feel as bad about spending money. Because normally what I'll do is I will buy a gift card. Let's say the value is $50. I'll get it for $30 or $35. So I save money. I'm trying not to cut myself with this freaking knife. This package is, oh my god. If you want to help support my channel, you can cash at me at London Hawthorne. You can go to onceupontea.net or rippedapparel.com and find your shirt of choice. Use my username London Hawthorne. You'll save some money off of your shirt order, and I get a couple bucks in credit. So this is a $25 value gift card. Unfortunately, there's no insert, and I don't know actually how much I spent on this, but more than likely it was probably $15 or $18. If I can save money here and there, I will do it, especially with something like an entertainment value like a movie theater, because it can be expensive at the movie theater. So if I can save $6 on a gift card, I'm going to save $6 on a gift card or more. So this on the back says $25 value. So more than likely $18 or $20 is what I paid for it. I have scored some for like 15. So, it adds up. When you like going to see movies, it's great. Another thing I recommend doing is getting the rewards apps. You get points for everything. And, I have free popcorn just chilling on my account for my birthday. So, just do that. Let me know some of the movies you like watching at the theater, like watching at home. Have you been back to the theater since all this crap happened? Leave a comment and let me know. Please subscribe, please share, and have a great day. See you movie.